الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we have a different topic, and the topic is social media. As we all know that social media has become a very important part of our daily life in recent years. An increasing number of people stick themselves on Facebook and other social networking sites in their spare time, and we all use social media and their different accounts. And also, many of us waste our time. And yes, it's true that a lot of us spend so much time on social media. So if you have got your phone and you are just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, it becomes a disease. And yes, it is a disease. You keep scrolling because there is so much on them. Remember, there are billions of people on the earth. If half of them are online and half of them have posted online on their social media, you are going to be occupied for a lifetime. And you are just watching and watching and you are just watching. Then what happens? You sleep late every day, and every day you are going to say to yourself that I'm going to sleep early tomorrow. And their brothers and sisters, tomorrow doesn't come. And amazingly, when you are in your grave, you can sleep forever. Every night, if you are a person who says, I'm going to sleep early, and the next day you are saying the same thing, then you have a problem. You have an addiction to something, and it is wrong. And my dear brothers and beloved sisters, if you look at your WhatsApp, you see online 2 minutes ago. When you look at your Facebook online 5 minutes ago, when you look at your, for example, Instagram, you're online 1 minute ago. When you look at your Skype, you are online right now. But when you look at the Quran, they were online since last Ramadan. Allahu Akbar. This is horrible that we were online last Ramadan. So we have more time for our social media than we have for Allah, than we have for Quran. Yet, and the amazing fact is, yet when we die, our phone is offline, our WhatsApp is offline, our Instagram is offline, and then our Quran will be online at that time. And why? Because our deeds will come with us in our graves, not our phones. So, my brothers and sisters, our life is very short. We might live for a few days, few more days. So, only like some days we can count those days. For example, like 300 days, for example, 400, 500 days, 1,000 days, or a 5,000 days, but not more than that. And in these little days we have got on earth, and in these few days, what we are doing here, we are wasting our time in these types of activities and these types of bad habits. And surely we are going to meet our Allah. So what did we do? We should occupy our weekends with something good. We should join the people who are going to meet the poor, the widows, the orphans, perhaps the homeless people, those who are going to feed others, look after the sick, or going to reach out humanity affairs, perhaps whatever else it may be, we should join them to do something constructive. Then surely we are going to enjoy our life. So that's the fact. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us. May Allah Azza wa Jal bless us. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant us ability to act upon what we have listened today. Ameen bijahi nabiyil ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.